Hey everyone, welcome back. Did the Smash Fest stop working right after you updated your iPhone to the new iOS version? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflicts with graphics heavy apps like Smashfest, and a full restart clears most of these right away. After restarting, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for Smashfest in the list of available updates. Since the game's developers typically push iOS compatibility patches quickly after major releases, tap update immediately if one is showing. If there is no update yet, Smashfest is still broken, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Scroll to the list of apps and find Smashfest, tap on it and then tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to your app store and reinstall it fresh from there. This will get a clean build for your current iOS. So all you've got to do is restart iPhone, check App Store for a Smash update, offload and reinstall if needed. Smashfest will be working on your new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe.